to Stikbot eating room part 3. Well, that was when the city was being attacked. They had their friends at the friend's house. They were only while you left. Hey guys, no! Ha ha ha! You.